Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.